Have you ever felt that invisible force guiding your steps, that gentle nudge that seems to whisper, "You are ready"? Perhaps today you have awoken to a sense that something monumental is about to unfold in your life, and though you cannot yet see the path, the universe is aligning every detail in your favor. This is no accident, no random coincidence, no mere luck. The very thoughts you have harbored, the faith you have quietly held within, and the unwavering desire for your soul's purpose have called forth this moment. Know this, the universe never hurries, yet it is always punctual, and it orchestrates circumstances with divine precision. If you have doubted yourself or questioned your worthiness, let this be the sign you have been waiting for. You were chosen long before you realized it, and the currents of life are now drawing you toward a destiny that cannot be denied. Every obstacle you have faced, every challenge you have endured, every no that stung, and every delay that frustrated you were not punishments or missteps, but stepping stones, quietly preparing you to receive what is rightfully yours. Imagine for a moment a check being sent to you, not a check written by human hands, but a check of infinite abundance, drawn from the wellspring of the universe itself, marked with your name, and timed to arrive exactly when your readiness meets opportunity. You may have thought that abundance was for someone else, or that blessings were reserved for the lucky few, but the truth is that the universe operates without partiality. It is impartial, just, and infinitely generous to those who understand the law of expectancy, those who know that what they affirm in their hearts will materialize in their lives. Now is the time to release fear, to dissolve doubt, to speak the word of confidence and expectation aloud, for words are not idle. They are the seeds of creation, planting themselves in the fertile soil of your mind and manifesting in the outer world. When you align your thought with faith, when you step into your power without hesitation, doors that were once hidden swing open effortlessly, and opportunities arrive unannounced, as if by magic, though it is the magic of law, not chance. Trust in the process, for the universe honors your courage, your persistence, and your willingness to believe in what you cannot yet see. Each small step you have taken, each silent prayer you have uttered, each act of kindness or perseverance has built a ladder leading to the moment of your appointment with destiny. Do not look for signs in the world around you. Look within, for the truth of your calling vibrates in your soul and resonates with every beat of your heart. Your chosen time is now, your provision is ready, and the universe is merely awaiting your recognition to release it fully into your experience. Hold this vision, nurture it with unwavering faith, and prepare yourself to receive the gift that has been destined for you are not wandering aimlessly. You are precisely where you are meant to be, at the exact moment when abundance will flow, unstoppable and undeniable, into your life. Now, as you stand on the threshold of this invisible doorway, feel the tremor of anticipation that stirs within your spirit, for the universe often tests the depth of our faith just before delivering the promise. You may notice delays, hesitations, or circumstances that seem contrary to your expectation, but understand this. These are not denials. They are confirmations that the timing is perfect and the alignment is precise. Every challenge that arises is a signal that the universe is fine-tuning your path, orchestrating events in ways your mind cannot yet comprehend. Do not grow weary or doubt the unseen hand that moves behind every situation, for it is working tirelessly, preparing your check, your reward, your breakthrough. In these moments of uncertainty, you are called to rise above appearances, to hold steadfast in your inner knowing, and to declare with absolute authority that what belongs to you by divine right cannot be withheld. Let your imagination soar beyond the limitations of circumstance, for it is the imagination that communicates directly with the invisible world and manifests reality. Visualize the abundance flowing toward you as if it has already arrived. Speak words of gratitude as if you already hold it in your hands. Feel the joy and the peace of your provision completed, and you will be amazed at how swiftly the unseen responds. The suspense you feel now is the precursor to revelation, the pause before the crescendo, the final hush before the universe announces your victory. There may be moments when doubt creeps in, when voices from the past or the fears of the mind attempt to shake your resolve, but you must recognize them as illusions, shadows without substance, for they have no power over the reality you are called to create. Maintain your focus, sharpen your intention, and fortify your belief with unwavering faith, for your check, your blessing, your destined opportunity is on its way, and it will arrive exactly when you are ready to receive it. You are not late, you are on schedule, and the universe honors your readiness. As you walk this path, remember that every small act of trust, every quiet affirmation, every choice to remain positive despite appearances is adding momentum to your manifestation. The invisible forces are responding to your inner alignment, preparing circumstances that may seem mysterious or improbable to the mind, but are perfectly logical to the universe. Anticipate with excitement, act with courage, and surrender the outcome to the divine law that governs all abundance. Your life is entering a chapter of fulfillment, and though the climax may not yet be visible, it is already set in motion, carrying with it the fruits of your persistence, faith, and unwavering expectancy. Soon, the suspense will dissolve, and you will witness the unfolding of your provision in a manner more magnificent than your imagination could conjure. Keep your heart steadfast, your mind unwavering, and your soul aligned with truth, for the universe delights in rewarding those who trust, and those who hold faith in the unseen shall never be disappointed. Now is the moment when all the threads of your life, once scattered and seemingly disconnected, begin to weave together into a tapestry of undeniable fulfillment. Every prayer you have whispered in secrecy, every vision you have held in silence, every act of courage and every decision to move forward despite uncertainty is now converging to reveal the tangible proof of the universe's generosity. The check you have long awaited, the blessing that has been destined for your hands, is arriving not because of chance, but because the law of divine order has responded to your expectancy. Notice how the obstacles that once seemed insurmountable begin to dissolve, how doors previously closed swing open with effortless ease, and how the people, circumstances, and opportunities you need appear exactly when they are required. This is the power of aligned thought, of unwavering faith, and of the conscious recognition that the universe does not err. It is in this realization that you step fully into your authority, knowing that your life is no longer subject to the random motions of fortune, but is governed by the precise law of divine intelligence that operates for your highest good. Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the exhilaration of receiving what you have called forth, for to feel it now is to magnetize it into your experience with perfect harmony. There is no limit to what you may receive when your thoughts, words, and actions are in complete alignment with the law, and when you recognize that every blessing is already on its way to you, fully and abundantly. This is the triumph of faith over fear, of expectancy over doubt, and of conscious creation over passive hope. Let this victory inspire you to continue the practice of aligning with your highest truth, for the universe responds to those who are steadfast in belief and active in their expectation. As you claim your divine inheritance, remember that your story is now an example of the universal principle that guides all abundance. What is meant for you cannot be withheld. Your prosperity, your success, and your fulfillment are not distant dreams, but present realities waiting to be acknowledged. Stand in your power, speak your word of faith with clarity, and act with courage, for the universe honors those who co-create with it, and every intention aligned with truth becomes a magnet for infinite blessings. You are not receiving by chance, you are receiving by law. The mystery has been revealed, the suspense has unfolded, and the universe has delivered the proof that you were chosen, that your timing is perfect, and that your provision is unstoppable. Embrace this reality, celebrate it, and let it ignite within you the confidence to move boldly toward every promise that life has placed before you. If you are benefiting from our topics, Please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.